Hi guys, here I've come with O levels questions. This is paper 1 2022 grade 12 ECZ exam. Now the first question, it says evaluate 3x over 2 close bracket the power -2. Yeah, we have asked it to evaluate the 3x over 2 to the power -2 in the brackets. So what we need to do from here is we share this 2 -2, this power of -2 to each number in the bracket. So I will rewrite it as 3 to the power -2 over 2 to the power -2 close bracket. Now in this case, now the brackets we don't have use of it, so I want to tell one tip. If you have given a value like b is the b to the power of -a, this b is a real number and a is just a real number, so you can write this as 1 to the power of 1 over b to the power of a in this case. So we'll put these numbers here in the in this form, right? So here we write so I can rewrite this to make the things simple. 3 to the power -2 divide by 2 to the power -2. So this is just equal to this one. So now I write this in form as I said here, in this form here. So write 1 to the power 2. Remember the negative is this one, 1.5, and 1 and this divide, that's the negative, plus divide by 2 to the power 2, 1 over 2 to the power 2. Right, from here you just do 2 square 3 to the power 2 is 9, so 1 over 9 divided by 2 1 to the power 2 to the power 2 here is 4. Then here you reciprocate. Reciprocating, you only reciprocate when you put a multiplication here. When you're multiplying, you change divide from dividing to multiplying. So when you multiply, you reciprocate this one. So say 4 over 1. Here we go multiply this time this times this, and this times this. We now have 4 over 9. Right, so paper 1, as you know, you write answers, so you can do this even if you didn't do the things correct here, but as long as the answer is right, you are writing answer there, and the concentration is on answer for the paper 1. For you all who are doing O levels. Paper 2, you have to show your working. So question 2, it says factorize completely. The question is factorize completely 2ax plus 4ay minus 3bx minus 6by. So as you can see here, this is we need to factorize. This is correct, is fine. It's being we have products, everything is in place. our job is to factorize. So factorizing, I will factorize this part. You have to share them, like you divide them in two groups. So this is group 1 and my group 2. I'll also factorize this one. If you see that your terms are not liking somewhere somehow, you have to put your terms in like terms first. That's when you can factorize. So here we go, factorizing. We have here what is common is 2a, so I'm putting my 2a here behind, my 2a here behind. So say 2a open, so 2a, I'm remaining with x here plus, then there I'm remaining with 2y. That case minus, here minus, say it will be, so here you have 3b and 6b. What is common is 3b. You have 6bx and 3bx and 6bx, 6by. So what is common is 3b. So I'm putting my 3b outside here, minus 3b open bracket. What is remaining there is x, then minus and minus, it will be positive. So here I'm remaining with 2y. From there we group these with these values outside the box, the outside the brackets. So 2a is 2a minus 3b close bracket, then later here I'm having x plus 2y. It means we have factorized completely here. Then third question, it says simplify 3 open bracket 3 open bracket 4x minus 5 close bracket plus 2. So here what we use is BODMAS. We are starting with what is in bracket according to BODMAS, and later we'll deal with what is outside. So here what is in bracket is 4x plus minus 5. These terms are not liking, so we cannot do with this. We cannot add, subtract, but what we can do is we have this multiplying here 3, it is multiplying with everything here, so we can start with this one, multiply with this, because bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So we multiply here first. So 3 multiplied by 4x is 12x. 3 multiplied by minus 5 is minus 15. Then this one is coming the way it is, plus 2. From here we can add this part, this plus minus 15 plus 5 plus 2 is they are like terms. So we are having 12x minus negative 15 plus 5 plus 2 is negative 13. And simplified. Right. Fourth question, it says find the value of y, where the function is 4y squared minus 8y is equal to 0. So to find the value of y, we need the value of y. We have y squared and y. So what we need here, we have to do is to factorize. So factorizing, what is common here? What is common is 4y. That's what is common. It's common here and here, 4y. So say 4y. Here I'm factorizing. is open bracket 4y divided by 4y squared. We have y, we are remaining with y, minus 4y in hy, we have a 2 on is equal to 0. What when you factorize, after factorizing, when you multiply what you have factorized, it has to give you exact what you it has to take you back here when you multiply. That's called expansion. This is algebra. Yeah. So here, since we've done this, so I'll say my 4y is equal to 0, or y minus 2 is equal to 0 in that case. So here, because this is, we divide both sides by 4, so I have my y is equal to 0, and here like terms, negative 2 to this side, it will be positive 2, so it's equal to y is equal to 2. Then you are done with the, you have solved for y. Right, the last question is it says simplify. So we are simplifying 2x. This was in paper 2 2022 ECZ examination. So we are simplifying these values here. This is a function. We are simplifying. So what you need to do here, you have to factorize. This is common in here, 2 is common in here, x is not, and here 2 is common, so you factorize first. So let's see my 2 out here, plus 2 in 14 is 7, over 2 into x squared is x squared, minus 298 is 49. This is because it's in paper 2, so we need to show the work. You need to show your working, all the steps, and from there you can cancel. This is common, so 2 till there is out, go is gone, so we are remaining with x plus 7 over x squared minus 49. Now from here you can think of a difference of two squares. So when you put a square root of 49 here, you find a 7. 7 times 7 is 49, and here x is square root of x squared is x. So what you can do here is difference of two squares is just a, when you have, let's say, when you have a squared minus b, this means like that is a minus b brackets and a plus b. When you multiply these, it will take you back. Have to make sure that it takes you back to this, right? Yeah. So this is a real number. It's a constant. We put it as a constant, and this is a constant, so it has to take you back here. Now from there, say my difference of two squares here, I'll put my x plus 7 up here, so I'll have x minus 7 in bracket close x plus 7. So when you multiply this, you have to try it, you will find it will take you back here, right? So here you have this and this, there are common, so you cancel this and this one, you've divided this one. So when you divide by this, you are remaining with 1 here. So here we come you have your 1 over x minus 7, hence simplified. All right, you can like this video and comment and subscribe to this channel to receive more notification on mathematics. Thank you.